How to invite your friends on Temu. In this video, I will show you how can you easily invite your friends on Temu application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to open Temu application in your mobile device. Once you do so, navigate to your profile. So click on U icon at the bottom. Once you go to your profile, you will see the option of free gifts. Simply choose that option and now you will see the option to invite new app users. Simply click on that option and a link will be created, which you can share in any app to invite your friends on Temu. So that's it. By following this easy step, you will be able to invite your friends on Temu application. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.